Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Locket not sending or receiving new photos. If your Locket app or widget isn't updating with new pictures from friends, your or your own photos won't send, here is a step-by-step fix. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure it's not weak or unstable Wi-Fi that is affecting it. Locket needs a steady connection to send and fetch new photos in real time. Next, what you're gonna do is launch the Locket app and pull it down from the home screen to refresh your feed, and this forces your app to check any new photos from your friends. Next, swipe from the bottom, find Locket and swipe it away completely. Then you have fun to start the connection and upload the queue. Next, go ahead and go to your settings app and then search, and then go to Locket app and then check permissions. Make sure camera is on and background app reference is also turned on. Missing permissions can block both sending and receiving images. Next, what you're gonna do is open your app store and then search for the Locket widget app and then see if there is an update button available. If there is updated, it will fix the bugs and your app will start running smoothly. After that, if a friend's photo didn't come through, ask them to send another one. Sometimes images fails to upload on their end due to poor internet connection, not yours. Privacy tip: only add people you trust. Every photo they send goes straight to your widget in real time. Quick fix: if it's still not working, remove and re-add the widget for force a fresh sync. Clear Safari cache in settings and log out and back in to refresh your app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.